Jaime, kamusta yung itsura ko? Okay lang ba yung damit ko? Yung makeup ko?
Okay.
Ayos lang ba?
Ayos na ayos. Walang problema. Okay ka lang.
Kinakabahan kasi ako eh.
Naintindihan yun. Huwag kang kakabahan.
Mag-washroom lang ako saglit, ha?
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Sir, open na po yung buffet po natin.
Okay na. O sige. Kukuha akong salad.
Oh, waiter.
Yes, ma'am.
Saan yung ladies room?
Dito po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Friendship, anong mas bagay sa white top? Diamond earrings or pearl earrings?
Diamonds. Para saan ba yan, binyag?
Hindi ako pupunta ng binyag. Magmi-meet the parents ako ngayon kay Hami. Inakabahan ako.
Ha? Eh, di ba sinungitan ka na nun?
Sana nga hindi na lang niya ako maalala eh.
Maglagay kaya ng nunal sa mukha o kaya birthmark para hindi ka niya maalala.
Sige na, wish me luck na lang, ha? Pasensya na sa storbo. Bye-bye!
O sige, good luck, good luck.
I know you. You are my son's ex-secretary turned mistress, right? Then what are you doing here? Tell me. Ikaw ba ang girlfriend ni Jaime? Kaya magkasama kayo ng Pasko? Don't say yes, dahil hindi kita matatanggap.
Hindi po.
Then, get out of my son's life, or you'll never hear the end of it. I don't even want to share my breathing space with you. Oh, Jaime, thanks God you're here.
Ah. Let me pull the chair for you.
Thank you. Oh, guess what?
Yeah.
Nakita ko yung ex-secretary mo sa CR. Andrea ba yan?
Andrea.
Andrea. I think she's stalking you. Kaya, pinagalitan ko. Anyways, it's nothing. Oh, where's your girlfriend? Jaime, we came to meet your girlfriend. You told me. Where is she?
Correct. Tumawag sa akin at she can't make it.
Sayang naman. I'm sure she's a fine lady. Siguro naman natuto ko na ngayong hindi maganap na ngayong babaeng katulad ni Veronica, right?
Malayo, ma. Malayo.
So, let's have lunch.
So, alam mo, tumawag si Patricia sa akin kanina at meron akong gagawin. I have to go. I'm sorry, I have to go. And you have to go too, alright? Mag-lunch na kayo mga amiga ninyo, okay?
Jaime, you've just wasted my time.
I'm sorry, ma.
Bye.
Bye.